Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to subtract signed numbers. First, let us recall the parts of subtraction. In the equation 7 minus 3 equals 4, 7 is the minuend, 3 is the subtrahend, and 4 is the difference. Okay, let's start. Rule: change sign of subtrahend, then proceed to the rule of addition. For two positive numbers, smaller value being the minuend. Let's have an example. 6 minus 10. Okay, the minuend is 6. So that is the smaller value. So let us rewrite as addition. This is 6 plus, and then change sign of subtrahend. Sign of 10 is positive, change it to negative, and then proceed to the rule of addition. They became different signs. So different signs in addition, subtract the absolute values, that is 10 minus 6, and then keep the sign of the larger absolute value. That is why the answer is negative 4. Another condition: if two negative numbers are given, example, negative 18 minus negative 15. Rewrite as addition. That is negative 18 plus 15. Why 15? Change the sign of negative 15. Negative 15 is the subtrahend. It became positive, and then proceed to the rule of addition. They have different signs, so proceed to subtraction. Subtract their absolute values, 18 minus 15, that is 3, and keep the sign of the larger absolute value, that is 18. The sign of 18 is negative, the result then is negative 3. Another condition: one negative number and one positive number. Example, 22 minus negative 17. Again, rewrite as addition. That is 22 plus, change the sign of the subtrahend, negative 17, so it will become positive 17, and then proceed to the rule of addition. Same sign, add them and keep the common sign. So that is positive 39. Another condition: one negative number and one positive number. Example, negative 9 minus 13. Rewrite as addition. That is negative 9 plus, change the sign of the subtrahend, 13, it will become negative 13, and proceed to the rule of addition. Same sign, add their absolute values, and keep the common sign. The result is negative 22. Okay, that's it. More videos on operation of sign numbers are available on this channel. I hope you've learned something from this. Bye!